This is so simple, guys. I'm telling you. So simple. They wanted to charge us $800 to replace the motherboard in this machine. This is the Samsung top load. It's like 2022 model. I ordered this motherboard off eBay, installed it myself. I'm sure you can hear, I am not a professional. It's that simple, guys. It really is that simple. Just do it yourself. They wanted $271 for the original motherboard. Then installation. I paid $49 on eBay for this absolutely perfect motherboard. And it worked beautifully. Don't throw out your machines. Don't call repair, guys. I promise you, you can do it yourself. All you got to do is pull up the videos like I did. It takes 10 minutes to take this machine apart to replace the motherboard.